My name is Quentin.
I'm Brecht.
We both co-founded Strongbrew. Strongbrew is a company that specializes in giving trainings around Angular, RxJS and NGRX. First we'll start out with some really basics about RxJS, but we'll go over those pretty quickly. And then we'll use two existing applications that we'll try to refactor and put some best practices in there. And for me, the main part about the workshop is that we'll try and teach you how to think reactively and how to apply that pattern in your own applications.
The focus is really on RxJS. So if you're a React developer or a Vue developer, you should be able to use the same patterns that we'll teach you in these different technologies. So if you haven't used RxJS before, maybe you can check it out before, learn what a map operator is, but that's basically it.
So, if you want to learn more about RxJS and how to apply the reactive pattern in your applications, please come and join us.
Love to see you there.